If your washing machine still smells no matter how much you clean it, you're not alone, and you're definitely not crazy. There are 5 hidden spots where odor-causing bacteria love to hide, and most people completely miss them. Let's reveal exactly where they are and how to eliminate that smell for good. I'm Brooke with Snap Clean, and these 5 spots are the real game changers. First up, deep inside the rubber door seal. Most people just wipe the surface, but the real buildup happens deep within the folds. That's where moisture, lint, and soap residue combine to create the perfect environment for mold. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water, grab an old toothbrush, and scrub deep into every fold. Don't just surface clean, get in there. This step alone can eliminate most stubborn odors. Next, the detergent drawer housing. It's easy to rinse the drawer, but the real mess hides in the slot. Over time, detergent and softener builds up, trapping moisture and creating that musty smell. Pull the drawer out completely, wash both the drawer and the slot with warm soapy water. If there's stubborn buildup, let it soak before scrubbing. Have you ever pulled out your detergent drawer all the way? Drop a comment and let me know what you found. I bet some of you guys have some crazy stories. Third, the drain pump filter. Most homeowners don't even know this filter exists. It's usually behind a small panel at the bottom of your machine and collects debris, lint, and coins. When it gets clogged, stagnant water creates a strong odor. Check your manual for the location, place towels underneath, and clean the filter monthly. Trust me, this makes a huge difference. Fourth, detergent overload buildup. Using too much detergent actually makes your washer dirtier, not cleaner. Extra soap builds up as film on the drum, trapping dirt and odors. Always use the recommended amount or less. Your clothes in your washer will thank you. Last, wet clothes left behind. Leaving wet laundry in the machine, even for just a couple hours, gives mold and bacteria time to multiply, causing persistent smells. Set a timer to remind yourself to transfer laundry right away. If you forget, just run a rinse cycle with a cup of white vinegar before drying. Here's your super simple routine. After every load, wipe down the door sill. Leave the door slightly open to air dry. Then once a month, run an empty hot cycle with 2 cups of white vinegar. 5 minutes of maintenance equals weeks of fresh smelling laundry. Have you tried cleaning any of these hidden spots? Share your experience in the comments. We love hearing what has worked for you. For more practical cleaning tips that actually work, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.